In this question, we have to identify which of the following given pairs are pairs of identical function. So first of all, we will take option A. In option A, first function let fx is given as 1 plus sin x, and other function gx is given as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. We can see easily that domain of f is x belongs to R, as well as domain of g is x belongs to R. Both of these functions defined for every real value of x. So domains are equal. But in common domain fx can be written as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. If we open this term, we have fx. So this can be written as mod sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2, and which cannot be written always as sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. So it is not equal to gx. So fx and gx are not identical functions. So the answer is no. First pair does not represent pair of identical function. Now we will go for option B. In option B, we are having fx as sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and gx as 2 tan inverse x. First of all, we will go for domain of fx and domain of gx. Domain of fx is x belongs to R, as well as domain of gx is also x belongs to R, because when we move in real number set of real number, then 2x upon 1 plus x square attains value between -1 to +1 close interval. So domain of both the functions are x belongs to R. Now for common domain, sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, we can write 2 tan inverse x, pi minus 2 tan inverse x, and minus pi minus 2 tan inverse x. For mod x less than 1, for x greater than 1, for x is less than -1. So we can say that it is not always equal to 2 tan inverse x in R. Therefore, answer for B option is no. It means that set of function given in B option does not represent pair of identical function. Now we will go for option C. In option C, we are having fx as under root x square, which can be rewritten as mod x, and gx is given as under root x square. So gx can be written as x. As we can see that domain of fx is x belongs to R, whereas domain of gx is x belongs to x is greater than or equal to 0. So domain of fx is not equal to domain of g. Therefore the answer is again as no, because in fx we are having set of all real numbers as domain, and in gx we are having set of non-negative real numbers only. Now we will go for last option, D option. In D option, first function fx is given as ln x cube plus ln x square, and gx is given as 5 ln x. Domain of fx is x belongs to set of only positive real numbers, because for this we have to take positive values only, and for this we have to take non-zero values of x. So if we take intersection of these two, we will have set of positive real numbers only. So domain of fx is x belongs to positive real numbers. It is equal to domain of gx, because domain of gx is also positive set of all positive real numbers. In common domain, fx can be rewritten as 3 ln x plus 2 ln x, which can be written as 5 ln x, and which is equal to gx. So for the last option, domains are equal, as well as in the common domain we are having fx and gx are identical function. So the last answer, D option, gives yes. It means fx and gx in D option represents a pair of identical function. So the correct answer is D option.